The wild is inhabited by multiple creatures that are very dangerous and very, very wild. That's why these two men dedicate their entire lives to tell you about these dangers and wild creatures. These two men are Marcus Gumbo and Richard Justice. And they're going to tell you about the do's and don'ts of nature. Episode 1, Respect.
Bet you didn't see us in those bushes.
I bet you did, because that's a don't of nature.
And welcome to the do's and don'ts of nature.
I'm Richard Justice.
And I'm Marcus Gumbo.
I'm going to teach you the do's.
And I'll be showing you some don'ts.
Now let's go teach you about the do's and don'ts of nature. The first do of nature is make sure you treat all wood creatures with respect. And that means feeding them, because they can't take care of themselves. That's why I'm going to give a nice wood creature some ginger ale. We got ourselves our first wood creature right here. And he, as you can tell, he's very stiff and scrawny. That means I'm going to have to give him some nutrients. Drink up, buddy. Drink up! Why? Why do you torture me? As you can tell, that nutrient's brought him back to life. You can hear him. You can hear him thanking me. This was a ginger ale. It cured him.
Now, if you don't treat them with respect, you can light on fire. I can't. Oh, damn. He just pricked me. Damn, I think I think it's gonna burn. I don't know. You. I think that's gonna be infected. Can we stop, like, shooting? No, I'm serious. Shut the.
Welcome to the second do of nature. See, you gotta take care of trees and show them respect. They can't take care of themselves. So I'm gonna give them some ginger ale. Yes, drink up. That's how you treat nature with respect. But if you don't treat them with respect,
and this is what happens when you don't treat trees with respect. Ah, oh, damn it!
You're a slut! This is the great Dooku plant of the forest. As you can tell, it's starting to die. Don't worry. I got some ginger ale for it. So I want to treat this plant with respect to make sure it can live a healthy life. Yeah. Drink up. Drink up. Let's treat nature with respect.
And this is what happens when you don't treat plants with respect. You can light on fire.
I know.
What?
Oh, yeah, plants make fun, make sound more flammable than them.
No, they don't mean flammable. They mean inflammable.
No, those the same things.
What? No. It's completely different. Did you ever read Copernicus? I know you do.
I can't read. I don't have eyes.
That does suck.
I know. I've been sitting here for too long. It's time just to end it all.
Okay, maybe I should treat you. Where's the ginger ale? I would really like some ginger ale right now. Wouldn't you like some ginger ale?
I don't even
Let's go
like
smoke
it.
some. Oh, wait, no, that'll light you on fire. Crap.
No,
Cigars?
no.
No, crap. This is just ridiculous.
You okay?
It just got real. It just got real. Take a slice out of a big pie. It's called the big picture. You take a slice. It's called the reality slice out of the reality pie. That was just the reality slice. I just ate a bite of the reality pie, which was a slice of the big picture.
Sure you're okay?
Now shoot some knowledge into that nostril of yours and get it straight.
The next day, Marcus hanged himself in his studio apartment. It was believed to be a suicide. Richard moved into the wilderness to live amongst the wood creatures. He was never heard from again. Their show only had one episode. No one watched it.